Dom here from Essential RC. Thanks for tuning in for another flight test video. Really is disgusting weather outside today. Hoping for better weather tomorrow to do some flying outdoors down the local model flying club, but really windy and rainy and wet and just horrible. So I thought it'd be a good opportunity to try out the Eachine K170 micro helicopter, this Blackhawk helicopter that I tried outdoors recently. You might have seen the video, and it flew quite well outdoors, but I thought I'd try indoors at home. So lots of nice scale detail on this helicopter, as you can see. Unusually, it comes with a display stand and its own landing pad, which is about the size of a mouse mat. Comes with 2 flight batteries in the box and the USB charge cable, spare blades, main blades and tail rotor blade as well, should you need them. You get the controller, and that needs 6 AA's. Let's try it out and see how it flies indoors. Right, so light on the radio transmitter and the light on the heli is flashing, so we go up and down on the left stick. So both lights are solid, that means we're ready to go. So I could take off and land with the takeoff landing button here, and I've got 3 speed modes. But what I can also do is put the sticks to the bottom and the outside, and it will take off, it will start up as well. Then I can use the left stick to go up, and to calibrate, which is a good idea, sticks to the bottom right like that, and it has done that. Here we go. So hands off, there is a little bit of drift. And that's to be expected on any heli, unless it's a GPS helicopter, which this isn't. So really gentle on the sticks, little corrections. Oh, missed. So it's definitely affected by ground effect when you're trying to land. Wonder if I should just try using the button. Let's try that. Hover over. Hover over. It's gonna move over and then. Oh! Yes! So there you go. That's a quick indoor flight of the Eachine K170. It is a little challenging, I have to say. You do have to work quite hard with it. It does drift. That can't be totally cancelled out with the trim sliders, but it is fun to try, and particularly on a rainy day like today. Then you know, you're not going to go out flying, so it's good to have some fun indoors. So the link for this is in the video description and the pinned comment. Look it up for the price. Thanks for watching. See you next time.